Hello friends, we got some new skates and I wasn't a super huge fan of this color, but because these skates are sold out and they actually don't have anymore, this was the only color that I could get. So we're going to refreshify these. We're gonna turn them into a different color. And because we're hitting the BER months, I think we're gonna do something a little dark and spooky. I've already lined the bottom with painter's tape and we're going to use Angelus Suede dye. We're gonna turn these bad boys burgundy. I also have some plates that I'm going to replace these with. However, I think that's just a little bit too intimidating for me right now. And quite frankly, I don't want to mess anything up. So we're just gonna take them to a local skate shop and have them do it. But we're gonna handle painting them and making them beautiful ourselves. Your Angelus paint dye should come with a little spoolie. I've already used mine a little bit just to make sure that the color was the right one. But once you get your painter's tape lined up, that's basically it. I've been obsessed with Interview with a Vampire, so we're gonna do something nice and burgundy.
Yeah.
And this is actually coming out so much prettier than I thought it would. I think I would have liked it to just be a little bit lighter so it doesn't fall too deeply into purple, but I'm not mad at this at all. The cool thing about this is it kind of doubles as an artist date. So for those of you guys who have read The Artist Way by Julia Cameron, it recommends that you take someone who's like creatively blocked, that you should take weekly dates that kind of nurture your inner artist or your inner child. And it's just cool to just like paint on stuff, you know? Okay, so if you're thinking of doing something like this, make sure you get 2 bottles because I want to do another coat just to make sure it's like super even, and I'm already out. So we have to come back to this once we pick up a second bottle. She's so sexy. Wow. I'm obsessed.